Over a week and a half of intermittent rains and downpours have drenched the provinces of Cavite, Pampanga, the towns of Calumpit, Bulacan, and Montalban, Rizal, Dagupan City in Pangasinan, and another town in the province under serious disastrous conditions for survival. Thus, the local government leaderships of these places did the best thing to ease the plight of their constituents by declaring their jurisdictions under a state of calamity. Our Carlo Candelaria tells us the incentives received by the LGUs and their constituents under such status.
The entire provinces of Cavite and Pampanga have been placed under a state of calamity due to the continuous rains brought by the southwest monsoon. Other areas have also declared a state of calamity, including Calumpit, Bulacan, Montalban, Rizal, and Dagupan and Mangaldan, Pangasinan. Under a state of calamity, the release of funds for relief, response, rehabilitation, and other immediate needs of affected residents can be fast-tracked. Price controls are also imposed on essential goods along with strict monitoring against profiteering and hoarding. The Government Service Insurance System, or GSIS, has also made emergency loans available to active members and pensioners affected by the disaster in areas declared under a state of calamity. The Department of Energy also reminded the public that a price freeze is in effect on household LPG in cylinders of 11 kilograms and below, as well as kerosene products in areas declared under a state of calamity. Meanwhile, the Department of Social Welfare and Development, or DSWD, continues to deliver assistance to families affected by the enhanced southwest monsoon in various parts of the country. The assistance includes family food packs, ready-to-eat food, and other essential supplies, while the agency also supports the evacuation and safe return home of displaced families. The agency is also paying close attention to the needs and condition of pregnant and breastfeeding mothers in evacuation centers.
Iikot tayo para makita natin yung kalagayan ng ating mga pregnant women kasi dala-dala natin yung mga maternity box nila. Lagi namin binibigyan ng special na attention yung mga pregnant and lactating natin ng mga nanay. Sila natin being in an evacuation center medyo stressful na, lalo na nagbubuntis ka. We're trying to make their stay here as comfortable as possible. Sisiguraduhin natin na may warm meals, may matutulugan na maayos, may pagkain na maayos, at yung mga may espesyal na pangangailangan katulad ng mga pregnant and lactating women natin na aalagaan.
In line with the directive of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., the DSWD continues to coordinate with local governments to identify the needs of affected communities and ensure the immediate delivery of necessary assistance. Carlo Candelaria for The Nation.